Hey guys, I am home after purchasing my KFC donut and chicken. Here it is. Here's the box. And I am going to taste it for the first time with you. So this is how it looks. There's the donut and the chicken, and I'll take it out, but it has the glaze in the bottom, so I can't tilt it for you. But there's a little bit of it. There's the donut. There's a donut on the bottom, and then the chicken. And what I'm going to do is cut this 3 ways. So I'm not going to eat this whole thing. That's too much. But I'm going to cut it 3 ways and share it with my granddaughters. So I'm going to cut it up, and then I'll show you my portion so you can see what it looks like. Let me try to take it out of the box, because like I said, it's a bunch of glaze at the bottom. So this is how it looks. Donut, fried chicken donut. And again, I'm cutting it in half. And then I'm gonna cut it one more time, because all I need is a taste. The donut is delicious, just from the sauce is delicious. So here we go. My first bite of the KFC donut and chicken. Chicken's good. That crispy was good. And then here we go, guys. It's good. The sweetness from the donut, and then the saltiness from the chicken and the crisp. It's really good. Somebody could easily eat this whole thing, but I'm not gonna do that. Would you give me a water, please? That's a lot of bread. Would you open it? A lot of bread with the donut and then the crispy chicken. But it is good. Delicious. Okay, you want some?
Yeah.
Kanaya, you want some that size? Or do you want the rest of it? She's thin. She's in basketball. So she'll run that off, but we typically don't eat like this. So something I wanted to try. The KFC and donut chicken sandwich that just came out. And it's a winner chicken dinner, y'all. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I have a lot more to show you. And I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all have a great evening. Have a great weekend. And I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.